Grocery store, HEB or HEB. Grocery store or HEB. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, subscribe, comments, and share. We'll see you next video. Just arrived from the store. Let's go, let's go. Home sweet home.